live in a rapidly progressing world where digital technology is developing and progressing every single day. It changes and improves the rate at which we do things. The global economy no doubt has been affected by a lot of factors, and the pandemic playing a huge impact. Many countries have diversified their approach to get the economy running well, and Nigerians shouldn't be left out. Among other things, we should exploit the resources of the digital technology to improve the Nigerian economy in agriculture, education, health, transportation, trading, security and so on. It is to this end that the Computer Professionals Registration Council of Nigeria, CPN, is organizing a professional IT assembly with the theme, Harnessing Digital Technologies for Social and Economic Recovery. Time, 7 to April 8, 2021. Venue, Nikan Luxury Hotel Abuja. Quick calls, 0803-358-8145, 0703-543-7642.